Well, hopefully you bought one of these tape tying machines. I've shown you 2 or 3 times. It's just the most handy tool you'll ever have in the garden for tying tomatoes, for tying grapes to a trellis, for tying blackberries to a trellis, cucumbers, anything that vines. You can tie it to a trellis with this tool. Just an amazing tool. But it runs out of staples from time to time, so here's how to change the staples in this tool. Got a little button right there. Push down on it and then pull out. This is spring loaded. This is what pushes on the staples to make sure they're in the right position. Load your staples in the up position. The staples pointing this way. Drop them in there. I'm about out. I have got to find me some more. Put this, remember you push down on it here, so that's the way you'll put it back in. There's only one way you can do it, and that's with this little red thing sideways. Push it in there, all the way in till it clicks. Like that. And it is ready to tie again. Staples, ties, all in one motion. You need one of these if you don't have one already. I'll put a link to this tool that I have. There's several of them. Sometimes these sell out when I do a video on it, but there's several of them that are similar to this. I'll put a link below. If you're a gardener, if you have grapes, blackberries, anything like that, you need this tool. Handy, handy little tool. 30 bucks, something like that, and just a handy, handy tool. Comes with 10 rolls of tape, I think it is, and with a bunch of staples, but that's the way you change the staples. Easy peasy. Get you one. Look below the video and I will have my link there. All right, we're gone.